everyone, so today we are going to be doing a maroon geode. Now maroon is one of my favorite colors. I love to wear it. I love wine, so it's maroon. So of course I need to do a maroon geode. I've done a maroon color a couple times. That was actually my very first one that people absolutely adored. It was on a longer canvas. And this one's gonna be very different than that style, but they're both amazing. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget, if you guys enjoyed this video, to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. All right, so these are gonna be my maroon geodes. I am gonna do both a black and a white base for both of these. So we'll see how that turns out and kind of go from there. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to see which one would look better. I really loved doing that green against the black on the other geode. So let's see what happens. All right, so this resin has actually been sitting on here for a bit now. I did the spray that I made up with just pigment and alcohol, and then I let it level out. And this was when the art resin was getting towards the end of its working time. So I'd say I had probably been working with it already with my other projects for about 30 minutes. And then so this was right around there that I had just applied this around 30 minutes. And then I waited probably about another hour. So it's been about an hour 30 before I'm touching this again since I mixed this up in the first place. And I mixed up some new resin now. And what I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm working with maroon. So I have some texture. I have, actually it's like a barn red is what it is called, from Apple Barrel. And then I have some black pigment powder, some more glass glitter, and some gold. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Just gonna kinda go with the flow here and see what I like. So with acrylic paint, you always want to make sure that you're just doing about 10% of the acrylic to the amount of resin. You can always add more, but it's harder to add resin to the mix because you could end up forcing it to set really quickly. So you don't want to have that issue. Now what I'm going to do is create, let's see, I think this one will look cooler here, and then these golds will look cooler here. So maybe even this will. I don't know, we shall see. I'm gonna create my center. Ooh, looks like it's almost sitting on top too, so that's interesting. Cool. This one, I wanna create a line. I don't know, just doing a crazy center here. And then I was gonna, let's see, that red kind of went on a little crazy here. You can see that the resin is still a little movable, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay. Ooh, it's being sucked up by the black. Interesting. See what happens when I sprinkle the glass glitter on there then. I like it though. This is different. It's interesting. I really like it. Now with this one, let's take the texture. Oh, you know what? I want to make this different though. Make it come out in a couple directions. I'm just getting tired of the whole like perfectly centered circle. I just want it to be a little bit crazier. Cool, that looks a little bit better. And then we'll follow that with these textures. Too much. Okay, and then I'm gonna leave some of this white, and I'm gonna do another line. I'm gonna start my drip off though and just move super fast. The faster you can move, the smoother the line will be. And that's what I'm going for. And I'm gonna do that again. And you guys, even though I've worked with acrylic and resin multiple times, I still feel like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm just putting so little in there. And don't let that like make you put way too much in there, because that's not gonna be fun for anybody. This is friggin' cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see here. Now, the black's gonna get sucked up over this one. It looks like it's already doing that too. So I'm gonna let that do its thing while I come back over here to this one. And we're gonna add some more texture just right on, let's do it right on the outside of this line. So you kind of get a mix of the two. I might actually grab another glitter instead of gold and bring that in. I thought gold was gonna look good when I had it side by side, but I don't think so. I think this is just a really elegant looking geode, and I want to keep that. Okay, here's a couple nice glitters, so why not use them? Let's see what happens. I freaking like that. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So now I'm not liking this line though, but I don't know. I feel like if I mess with it, I am going to hate it. So let me see what, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it for a second, see what could possibly happen with it, like kind of let it stir and brew a little bit. With this one, I just love the deepness of it. I think this is something that my husband would love a lot, so maybe some of you other guys will love it too. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I kind of wish I was doing this live so you guys can help me out on this one. But I think I like it. It's very simple. I don't want to put too much into this one, but I might add a little bit more maroon around here since it got sucked up a lot. I don't know. I think it's meant to be sucked up though. Gives it that organic feel. All right, so obviously I felt like it needed a little bit more, and I'm so happy I did. I think this looks gorgeous. This is the gold glass glitter. I know it looks kind of silver here, but I mean, if you're comparing it to the silver one, it is gold. But I like that it gives just that slight offset. I love, 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 love the organic feel to this one. It is gorgeous. I don't want to mess it up. This one, on the other hand, I think needs some more solid or some white on the inside, which I don't know. I think I want more solid. So I'm going to mix up just a little bit more of this maroon and see what happens. All right, so I like this. I just want to add a little bit of texture to round off a couple of these areas and to make my outside edge just a little bit more full. All right, and then to get these edges sealed, I'm gonna mix up some resin into some silver glitter into the resin and do the same thing to my sides as I did over here. Most of it's gonna fall off, but what I loved about the pink lady geode that I did was that the silver, even though most of it fell off, you can kind of get that transparency of the wood throughout that. And it, to me, just made the whole thing that much cooler. So I'm gonna do that really quickly, and then I think that this is probably about done. I might do just a little bit into here in the middle, but I don't know yet. So we're playing that one by ear. But don't forget, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you really enjoyed it, I would love a share. That'd be awesome. Let other people come and maybe give some resin a try, and let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. Have a great day, everyone.